When I was a child, we had one rule for fixing things around the house. Always use duct tape. It didn't matter what the problem was. A leaky faucet? Duct tape. A wobbly chair? Duct tape. Even when my little brother knocked the handle off the door. A little duct tape and it was better than new. Of course it wasn't. Because I got locked in the bathroom for 3 hours because that solution sealed the door shut. I realized that our approach wasn't about fixing the problem perfectly. It was about focusing on a solution. And while duct tape philosophy might have not been flawless, the mindset was brilliant. And solve first, worry later. Focus on solutions instead of problems. It's more like a do-it-yourself fix. It's a mindset shift. Too often we spend too much time looking at problems that we get stuck in negativity. Imagine trying to drive forward while looking at your rearview mirror. How far would you get before crashing? In healthcare, business, or life, we face challenges every single day. Staff shortages, tight budgets, or even sometimes personal struggles with work-life balance. It's easy to fall into a pattern of complaining or overanalyzing. But what if instead you use your mental duct tape to focus on finding solutions, even small ones? When I was working within the hospital, one of my colleagues, a nurse, Sarah, felt overwhelmed by her workload. Instead of fixing on what was going wrong, she thought about what could she do to improve her situation. It led to her implementing a team huddle, which included increased communication and decreased stress for everyone. Now, I'm not saying you should run around with a roll of duct tape, but wouldn't it be helpful if we all carried a mental toolkit of solutions and focused strategies? So today I challenge you to change your narrative. When a challenge arises, don't dwell on it. Think of the possibilities. Ask yourself, what's one actionable step that I can take right now to move forward? Do it for a week and see how your perspective shifts. Share your stories and strategies with your teams, your friends, your family, and you might just inspire someone to think again about their problems. If you spent less time worried about what's wrong and more time crafting what could go right, how much closer would you be to achieving your goal? Remember, solutions first, mindset shift, focus on the fix, problem solver, for you to be a success.